Where is that attachment? Well, that's not it. Great DVD, but that's not it. Available online. I know! Oh, damn it! That's not the right one! Ah! Dang it! This is the telescopic horsehair cleaner. Oh well. I know. Oh wait. Wait, what was I doing again? Oh yeah. Where is that thing? That's not the one. Nope. It's the third time I've found that one. Of course! Freya! Oh, God. That's still not it! Are you tired of your Dyson attachments making your life a veritable living hell? Then you need to dominate your Dyson, and I'm going to show you how. I'm gonna do it myself, and I don't need nobody else. I'm gonna do it myself, and I don't want no help. And if it gets too hard, I'll go to YouTube. And if that don't work, I guess I'll hire a dude. The first thing I did was lay out all the accessories on a piece of plywood and figure out just where I wanted them to go. Now each vacuum system is different and they all have different accessories, so you'll have to play around with this and find out what works best for you. Then I was able to know just how big to make my baseboard, so I cut that up and all the pieces of wood I needed for the whole project. As you can see, I've got it all laid out, I've got everything cut up. Now I didn't film myself cutting these pieces because I assume you know how to measure and cut something. I did use my table saw and my awesome sled that I built the other day. It's so exciting because I've got these bits now, and this will comprise the hook that will hold the thing in place. Arch, how did you measure how big to make the pieces of wood to hold the accessories? That's a great question. All I did was measure the distance from the base up to the highest point. And I used these babies, digital calipers. And I measured from the base to the highest point so that I knew how high to come up here. Then I put another one there, and I've got basically a perfunctory hook. I think that's the correct word, I'm not sure. I just did what I thought would work. And you know, a lot of times you think, well, I don't know how to do that. But you do. You could figure it out. And it's really about giving it a shot. And you'll be surprised how much you can do, how much you can design. And that's all I'm doing here. I'm winging it, and I'm showing you guys how to make my killer Dyson accessory wall organizer. And I've never made one before. That's the insane part. I've literally never made one before, and here I am teaching you how to make it. That's insanity right there. It's time to glue it and screw it.
All go to hell, 'cause I got this. I'm gonna do it myself. I don't need no help. Key change. I'm gonna do it myself. Nobody to
I've got all my little bits completed, glued and screwed. There's these ones. Remember those? Looking good, huh? I'm loving that. It's not going anywhere. How am I going to attach them to the baseboard? For starters, I drew a light pencil outline where they're going to go. So there's a little rectangle there. I'm going to glue them right onto those spots. But then I want to drill from behind to strengthen them and fasten them. How am I going to know where to drill? I mean, what am I going to use, sonar? Am I going to get a wood diviner over here? No, I'm actually going to use a brand new DIM exclusive reverse pilot holes. This is something I've come up with where I'm going to put my pre-drill hole in from this side going essentially backwards, then glue it, then I just follow the hole, I'll pre-drill into the other side, pop my screws in there, and it should be perfect. This is a DIM exclusive. It's reverse pilot holes. It's very exciting. I hope it works, but let's find out. There's no better way to find out if something works than to just freaking try it. And that's what we do here at DIM. All we do is try. We can't do anything else. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? You could hurt yourself, waste a lot of money and time. All right, sign me up. DIM.
I wish my dad was here, but I'm on my own. Oh, I need some help. I don't know how to do that. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'll do it anyway. 'Cause that's how you learn stuff.
I got them all glued down. I admit I'm a little concerned about some of these freestanding ones. Generally, when you glue something, you really want to clamp it, and I love my clamps. They're probably my favorite tool. You got to get clamps. That's the first thing you do. Every project you use them. My little friends here, these are my best friends right here. But these ones in the middle of the board, I don't know. I mean, if I had some bricks, but then they would probably knock over. So I've just used my body weight. My body weight. My body weight. And, you know, push down like I was giving it CPR. When the glue dries, then I'm going to gently pre-drill from behind, go through the holes I already made, and then I'm going to gently pre-drill into these and then screw them, and I'm hoping then they're good. Anyway, I'm going to go get lunch and wait. You're supposed to wait 24 hours. I'll probably wait like 40 minutes before I try to drill. This is exciting. I'm going to dominate that Dyson.
You gotta keep on trying. Oh, yeah.
What a magical journey that was, creating the Dyson Dominator, making this episode, but when one journey ends, a new one begins. And I'm so excited because we're going to be bringing you more episodes of Do It Myself. Please take that one moment it takes to subscribe, comment, leave a like, because we can't do it myself without your help.